In the recent WWDC event with iPadOS 26, we came to know from Apple that they now have added 3D graph capability inside Notes app. Whether we can plot 3D graphs or not inside Apple Note app. And before actually we go further, if you are the iPad enthusiast and want to elevate your experience with it, then make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential as we keep on coming up with the content which is going to improve your productivity and overall experience while working with iPad. Okay, so now coming back to the topic where we will try to plot a 3D graph inside Apple Notes. And here you can see this is Apple Notes. Now what I'm going to do here is let's first of all start with a 2D graph. So I'm going to type here y equals 4x plus 3, and if I hit here equals, then we have option of plotting graph, and this is 2D graph that we use to plot. Now let's write a 3D equation here. For example, let me put an equation of spare, which will be x square plus y square plus z square equals 25. Now can I plot this? And as we know, always there is a way how we need to write equation here. So this is not the format that suits the graph. So let me write here in another way, which is, for example, if I say z equals, and then I'm gonna say x square plus y square, and now if I tap here, I have option to insert 3D graph. So let me tap here on 3D graph, and there we go. So here we can see the plot of z equals x square plus y square. And not only you can see this graph, but you can also manipulate, play with this entity. And that's how, guys, we now also can plot 3D graphs inside Apple Notes. And let me also write here another equation. Similarly, let me write here z equals, and then sine x into cos y. And again, here we can see this 3D graph. So here we have option to either add it in existing 3D graph or add a new 3D graph. So this time I ask here to add new 3D graph, and there we go. Although here we can see it looks quite messy, but I just wanted to show you the capability of these 3D graph. So that's how, guys, we now can even plot 3D graph inside Apple Notes app. I hope you liked it. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential as we keep on bringing productivity related tutorial, and I will see you around in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.